Politeness Pays. Mastering the "is it possible" request in English. Hello learners. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today, we're delving into the realm of making requests, more specifically, using the phrase, "is it possible?" A key aspect of any conversation is politeness, and it's especially crucial when making requests. By the end of this video, you'll have mastered polite expressions and the role they play in making requests. When you're making a request, it's more than just asking for something. It's about fostering relationships and maintaining harmony. Being polite shows respect for the other person's time, feelings, and resources. It's particularly essential when you're speaking English, as it can help you sound more fluent and natural. The phrase, "is it possible?" is a brilliant way to make polite requests, as it inherently suggests a respect for the other person's ability to fulfill the request. Let's take a closer look at the phrase, "is it possible?" It's a way of asking if something can be done or achieved, all the while providing the listener an opportunity to decline politely. For example, "is it possible to borrow your book?" The phrase inherently provides flexibility, making it a gentler, more polite request. Let's now delve into some examples of using "is it possible" in making polite requests. At work, is it possible to extend the deadline by a day? At school, is it possible to get some extra help with this topic? At home, is it possible to have dinner a bit early today? Notice how these requests don't demand action. Instead, they open a conversation about what might be possible, giving the listener space to negotiate or decline. Responding to "is it possible" requests should also be done politely. Here are a few examples. Positive response: "Yes, it's possible. I'd be happy to help." Negative response: "I'm afraid it's not possible right now due to..." Remember, maintaining the tone of politeness is crucial even while declining a request. It keeps conversations respectful and productive. And that brings us to the end of our lesson on making polite requests using the phrase, "is it possible?" Politeness is a cornerstone of effective and respectful communication, especially in English. It not only helps in making requests but also shapes your overall communication style. So, keep practicing these phrases in your day-to-day conversations. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this lesson has been helpful. See you next time for more on conversational English.